Okay, so looking at completing the square. So this is another type of factorizing, but it's really obvious when it's one of these types of questions because it'll always have something that looks like this within it. So the method I'm going to look at is not the best if you plan on going to higher. If you're wanting to go into higher, there are better methods to go look at. This is just an absolutely dead straightforward one to help you get Nat 5. So the first, what I call this, is the half the middle, square it, take it away. So those are the 3 steps that we do to complete the square. And I'm just going to put it down here. So I look at the middle, halving that is now going to be plus 5. So we have x, and I take that plus 5 and I put it in the bracket. That plus 3 stays on the outside, and then I need to square that 5. So 5 squared is going to be 25. So I need to take away that 25. And it will always be a takeaway no matter what it is. And so I've now got x plus 5 all squared. 3 take away 25 is negative 22. And that's all I need to do. And we can see here, this is now in the form of this. Okay, so our next one, don't be fazed by the fact we've got different letters and the fact there's that minus sign in there. Looks very similar without A and a B. We do the exact same thing as before. So, half the middle number. That minus 2 stays on the end. Now 3 squared is going to be 9, so I need to take away 9. So that'll be x minus 3 squared. 2 take away 9 is negative 11. Now this next question has a little bit of a twist on it. So as you can see, we've got it in 2 parts. First part, dead straightforward, same as before. Half the middle number. Square of that is still going to just be 1, so I'm taking away that 1. So we now have x minus 1 squared plus 8. So this next part is a bit sneaky. So it's asking for the value of a. Now, it'd be really tempting to just put it in as the entirety of minus 1. But if I look up here, I've got minus a. So where that a is, all I have is that 1. So that means a is actually just equal to 1. And b, my bit on the outside, is that plus 8. And that is it for completing the square. I'll be looking at sketching a graph later on when I do my other parabolas. But until then, this is all I'm going to cover on it.